Hey, what's going on guys? So in this tutorial I'm gonna talk about Object.keys. So as you know, the keys give you the index of that. So in this case we can also get a object. So but there are some rules, the object need to contains the with the keys and the values. So this is what it does. And what it does is give you the object's own property names in the same order when as we get any normal loop. So sorry about that. So what we're gonna do is create const object 1 equals an object a, and that inside that what we're gonna put is some string and comma b, a number 42, and c false, boolean. So when we're done with that, what we're gonna do is log it on the console. Object, use the object constructor of object, and then what we're gonna do is put keys and pass inside it the object what we're gonna want to get. So when we do that, it's gonna give us the keys only. So this is what it does. It makes you an array. So this is what it does. Hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.